viewers, welcome to Excellent English with Maha, and this is your Mahalakshmi. If you didn't subscribe my channel with that press bell icon and select all. Okay. So in the previous class we started phonetic symbols. So today also we are continuing that class. So today what symbol we are going to see is a. So today's phonetic symbol is vowel symbol, that is a. Short a sound. Okay, not a, this is a. Okay, so for that here I need not explain much because you have to follow the examples, then only you can understand this sound. Examples. So generally America, how will you pronounce America? America, India, China. Likewise we will pronounce all these countries names. Okay, so instead what is the pronunciation is here? America, America, and mostly this short a will be placed in initial place or last place. Okay, so America, in this word the sound this is this short a. Okay, and it is transcribed as a. And when you refer the dictionaries, they might have given these symbols, but we will not understand that symbols. That is why I am teaching the symbols. So hereafter, if you see this symbol, you understand that this is short America, America, America. Okay, and then India. So our country, how will we pronounce India? India. So that's wrong. Okay, India, India. So this is India. This last sound India. This a takes up the sound India. Okay, and come to the third example. We also teach the small children that banana, and we also will be pronouncing as banana. Wrong. This is banana. Banana. So when we follow this phonetic symbols itself, the style English will come. The style of English will come automatically when we follow this phonetic symbols. So instead of saying banana, if you pronounce banana, it gives a good look for that pronunciation. Okay, banana. So this a will take up this short a. And last this sound will take up this short banana. Okay, and fourth one, content, content. So this bow here we should not use content, or there is not a sound, this is a. Okay, content, content. So this o will take up the sound short content, content, and then contain, the same o. This sound will take up the symbol this short it sounds short contain, contain. So afterwards we will learn all these symbols a, t, consonants, all these sounds we will learn later. So I have given these examples only to learn this short okay, what I have highlighted here, that is short content, contain, and then China. So we will say China. No, not China. That is China. China. Okay. So how will we transcribe this? Cha. This is cha. This is I. Chai. Na. China. So this last position, this sounds this short China. China. Okay, so once again I'll mention you America, India, banana, content, contain, China. Okay, so this is short so hereafter when you see this short this inverted V in dictionary or somewhere else, you understand that this is short so we have to pronounce it in these words like America, India, banana, content, contain, China. Okay, these are the examples. So you can follow this sound in many words. Okay, so I hope you have understood about the sound and symbol okay. In the following classes I will teach the remaining vowel sounds, so keep watching about the symbols. Okay, keep watching my channel to learn phonetic symbols. If you like this video, do like, comment and share. I will meet you in another video. Until then, bye from Mahalakshmi. Thank you. Bye.